Welcome to another freaking video.
Welcome to another fucking video. Today we are baking / making
protein-filled waffles made out of cottage cheese, protein powder, and rolled oats.
I don't think we've ever made this. I've never had it, so this is a first time. We decided to make this because, well, we're on our healthy diet / well, are you on a diet?
I have been on a good 80% good, 20% bad, so I did just come back from a little mini vacation, so I did enjoy myself there. On my day today, I have been doing really well, actually.
Okay. Well, I am on a diet. So we're gonna make these protein waffles. We have the materials here, so protein powder. What the hell is this?
Rolled oats. That's what's one of the ingredients.
No. Rolled oats, cottage cheese, some zero sugar, zero carb syrup, because again, we're trying to keep it as healthy as possible.
We also bought banana to put on top.
And some pure vanilla extract, eggs,
and extreme dark chocolate, 88%, for us to chop into little pieces and add into our waffles.
First time ever baking or making anything together like this, and so we decided to record it. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it turns out good. What the fuck is that?
This is our waffle maker.
It's not even the shape of a waffle. I guess we're gonna be eating dog treats.
I swear we've never used it to make anything dog treat related. It is still in the box, brand new, but it was a gift I got that I never touched, and now might as well put it to good use.
It is brand new.
Damn. Well, can you tell I've never used it? But we'll see, and if we like it, then we know that for our next place, we need a waffle maker.
These are so small.
You know?
What the hell?
We'll make it work. We'll see.
These are so small.
We'll see how it goes. So we need half a cup of rolled oats. We're starting off with 1 serving. We're most likely gonna have to make another, considering I'm making a serving for 4. You can eat for 5 to 10. That seems good. We need 2 eggs. Okay, so it's only 4 ingredients. So once I put the protein powder in, we're done. And we are going to blend it.
How much protein did you put in? 1 scoop?
1 scoop of protein. I don't want to mess with the recipe because we don't know what it's going to produce. See how much it creates in here first, and then double it, and then go from there and see how it goes.
How much vanilla?
Just a splash, just for taste.
So we don't have spray to spray the waffle maker or whatever this thing is. So she's just going to brush some butter.
I would suggest waiting for your butter to be room temperature, but we're slightly impatient. Now we're gonna do our first little scoop. I think I'm gonna use 1/3 cup. It's not about how it looks.
Like dog treat waffles.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Okay, do you want some toppings?
She literally made that in under 5 minutes, probably like 5 minutes max. So that was pretty easy to make. Again, it's just 4 ingredients: cottage cheese, protein powder, rolled oats, and
Rolled, baby, rolled.
that's what I just said, rolled oats, and eggs. So just those 4 ingredients, and then you can add vanilla extract if you want. That was pretty simple, that was pretty fast. We're gonna make a couple of those, and then you can add your toppings. So that's why we have the chocolate, the dark chocolate, bananas, and any other toppings you want. What's the macros on this?
20 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, 8 grams of carbs.
Per waffle.
Per waffle. So
Yeah.
it should be roughly around there, not including our banana, and then our syrup doesn't really have much in it.
So we're gonna try it and see how it tastes. Again, I would definitely recommend an actual waffle maker. Cheers. That's good.
I think maybe a little bit more vanilla.
Okay, yeah, we can add that next. Yeah, there you go, short video. Again, overall, good macros, and it's a good quick recipe to do under 5 minutes. So we're gonna make more and enjoy the rest of the night. So goodbye, peace.